Simplify the way you interact with customers, the way you work, and the way you analyze data with PureCloud, an all-in-one omni-channel cloud platform, capturing all customer interactions in one place. Let's see how John, a GBank agent, can use PureCloud to provide a better customer experience and work more efficiently. He logs on to view his profile. From here, he can customize his settings and list his skills either manually or import them via LinkedIn. He can also see the real-time presence of his co-workers, should he need some specific support. John places himself on queue, which lets PureCloud know that he is ready for incoming interactions through web chat, emails, phone calls, and more, all visible in the Active Interactions pane. Scripts can display information about the caller that were gathered in the IVR or from other data sources and provide additional functions to assist the agent. They are completely customizable and can be freely designed. PureCloud empowers agents by providing a 360-degree view of the customer history. An integrated omni-channel view shows all previous customer interactions. John can see in the conversation history that the customer started a web chat prior to this phone call to inquire about a current promotion. He gathers all detail from the web chat to pick up the conversation seamlessly. If need be, he can refer back to emails and any other form of communication with the customer. He can also co-browse or screen share if necessary during his conversation. To assist with customer queries, John can consult standard responses to frequently asked questions, consult the website for further info, or schedule a callback. Once the query is dealt with, John can ensure the callback is routed directly to him. Or, if the query is better suited to another team, John can check the real-time presence of other agents before transferring the call. PureCloud makes it easy to find the right contact within the company. The profile page displays information about all co-workers, including their current job titles, professional relationships, real-time presence, and contact information. Internal collaboration allows John to search for and contact peers based on their skills and area of expertise. John identifies Jamie as the best colleague to seek advice from. John can use the chat function to see their full chat history, invite others, or start a new conversation via a web chat, phone call, or video call with screen sharing capabilities to help resolve his issue. PureCloud enables effective collaboration across your organization to better serve your customers. Let's take a look at PureCloud key functionalities for supervisors. Jane, a supervisor, uses the Queues Activity Dashboard to see an overview of every team currently in the system. PureCloud provides details of the number of phone calls currently being dealt with and the number of phone calls waiting in the queue in real time. With agent data, Jane can see how many agents are in a team and how well they are meeting the service levels. She decides to look at the help desk team in more detail to see the active agent's work status and number of interactions answered in a day. The performance view allows Jane to see a further breakdown of statistics for a specified time frame. This means she can keep track of the contact center performance and react to call volume peaks, staff shortage, or any other variable in real time. With PureCloud IVR Architect, Jane can create complex call flows by using simple drag and drop. Thanks to technologies like speech recognition, text-to-speech, and data dips, she can build personalized and intelligent call routing and self-service options. For instance, Jane would like to modify the flow of an inbound call. Using the toolbox, she can automatically transfer it to a specific team. Or, by using existing customer data and inputs collected in the IVR, she can set up priority routing for VIP customers to ensure they have the minimal wait time. Create exceptional, seamless experiences with the omni-channel functionalities of PureCloud, an all-in-one cloud platform to increase productivity, empower your teams, and provide the best customer experiences. Omni-channel customer service can be complex, but it doesn't have to be. See how PureCloud makes it simple, cost-effective, and seamless.